Everybody, this is Mr. Chung again. I'm going to give you a demo of how to revise a PDF form. In this case, we are going to revise a fee waiver PDF form for the college application, for college applications. Um, I'm going to pull up an example of the fee waiver form. This is what's available to you either on your Google Classroom, or you can download a version of this from Naviance. So in fact, I'm going to show you very quick for those of you who have not completed this, or have completed this in the wrong way, such as taking a picture or using conversion to Word. Those are not the right way to complete this. So I'm going to show you a demo how to revise this file, how to edit to this file correctly. So very quickly, I'm going to log into Naviance, and as always, you would type in cps.edu/Naviance, and then in the middle of the page for you guys, you will log into through the student login, and as for myself, I'm going to log in through the staff login. And from here, this is not the screen that you would see. However, I'm going to pull up the demo file for myself, Demo Chung. I'm going to zoom in as Demo Chung. And as always, for your convenience, I have added everything that you need to the welcome message right here in the middle of the page on the left side. So you would expand to what you would do, what you need to do to complete this is to the second section, the NACAC Fee Waiver form. This is the form that you have to complete. Now I have made this file revisable for you. All you need to do really is to sign for the document, and I'll show you how you can do that. So quickly, you would leave the top portion blank because we're using this one form for all the colleges and universities you're applying to. So you would leave this section blank, and the colleges, they are okay with this section being blank. So you wouldn't put anything here. And the only part that you're responsible for is the student section. I will take care of everything else. So for the purpose of this, you would just type in your name. We're just going to use an example, a fake name here, Joe Smith. And then I'm going to put 123 Main Street. This, of course, you would put in your real address. I'm just using this as an example. Chicago, Illinois, 60615. And you're almost done except for the signature button right here, the signature area. And for you to get this properly, don't use the download icon, but use the print icon. You want to make sure everything you have entered is on here. Okay, you want to make sure everything you have entered is on the preview screen. And for the destination, some of you may have a printer connected, but make sure you're using a Google Chrome browser right here, Google Chrome browser, and then change this destination to Save as PDF, Save as PDF, and just click on Save. And then it's going to ask you, what do you want this to be saved as? You want to make sure you put it in the location that you know where to find it. And for this example, I'm going to save it under the fee waiver section that I have for 12th grade students. And I'm going to name this as my last name first, Smith Joe Fee Waiver. And it's simple as that. And I save it. And I'm going to double check my work right here. I'm going to go into where I had saved the file. Smith Joe Fee Waiver. You can see that it's right here. Joe Smith 123. That's exactly what I just typed in. However, I need to sign for the student signature. So how can I do that? I'm going to go back to Naviance. So remember what you did on the screen. Unless you press print, it's not saved. So I'm going to click on this free online PDF editor, okay? And then this screen should show up. Okay, make sure you're using, some of you who have used this tool, it's an online tool on this smallpdf.com/edit-pdf. If you have used this multiple times, it's going to ask you to pay for this tool, but you can always bypass it by using a Google Chrome browser and just select new incognito window, and then you can bypass that cookie that's asking you to pay for the tool. But in any event, I would now just select the file and drop it right where the drop icon is, and you can see that, ta-da, this is where you can complete the form. And if you did it correctly, all you have to do is to fill out the student signature portion. You would just click on this pencil icon and just do your best to sign by holding on the mouse key, or you can use the trackpad key if you have an Apple, just to sign Joe Smith. Just as an example of how you can potentially sign for this. And then after you're done, remember there's a couple other features. If you need to type something, if you have missed a section, you can always use this letter icon to type Joe Smith, and then you can just move that up. So that's just as an example, but I'm going to delete this because I already inputted that on there. And then I would just click on download. And if I open this downloaded file, you should see that what I had just done is right there. And once again, I'm going to save this as Joe Smith. I'm going to just replace the other file that I had. It's already in the same folder. Okay, so now it's re-downloaded. And if I go back to Naviance, just go, this is where things were left off. Just click on back right here. And then you would just submit it into this section right here, number 2. Click on this submit right here. Now for this, it's going to say I already responded, but if I added my response, because again, for those of you who did it incorrectly, you can always go back. I would just put in Smith, Joe, and then I would just remove this file. Okay, so this is showing me that I need to remove this file. Obviously, I was using StarNow as an example, and I could not remove it, so I will enable that feature. But I just want to show you, for those of you who have not done it, if you're doing this for the first time, this is where you would complete submission. You will upload the file in this section, and then you would just click on submit. Okay, I hope that helps with demonstration on how to complete the PDF form with fee waivers, but you can also use that tool for a number of other requirements that you need to do that's PDF based. This is a really powerful tool that's free, that you're able to do it right here on the website. Okay, if you have any questions, please email Mr. Chung at ykchung@cps.edu. Thank you.